Air frying is fun. We can have food that looks, tastes, and feel like it's fried, like it's deep fried. But it only has a squirt of oil. It's amazing. I have only got kitchen household things to work with. Just a regular kitchen. A scale, measuring spoons, cups, and bowls. All of my recipes, I've either looked up the label on the back, how much sodium is in per serving, which is really something that we have to do whenever we cook. Or Google nutrients in zucchini, nutrients in fresh green beans. Then write down the totals, use my handy dandy little calculator to figure out how much sodium is in what I'm going to use. Tried to make my recipes easy to follow. Hopefully I did it. From time to time I go to my grocery store and just walk around and look, see if there's anything else I think I can air fry. I've got some ideas. Haven't perfected them yet. When I do, and we really love it, I'll add lectures to this course. Don't know how much I'm going to end up with. Just can't tell. I would love to hear from you. See if you've enjoyed the recipes. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them, but keep in mind I'm not an authority on different types of air fryers. I have two, and I know how to use them. I wish happy air frying to you. From Judy, the Sodium Attacker.